Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear health-conscious viewers and Ayurveda enthusiasts tuning in. For centuries, Ayurveda has recommended one simple drink after meals to support healthy digestion and overall well-being. Here's the Ayurvedic Buttermilk recipe and Dosha Calculator from Youthbuddy. Takra, also known as Ayurvedic Buttermilk, is prepared by churning curd with water and selected herbs. It is lighter than curd, easier to digest, and has long been recommended as part of a balanced Ayurvedic lifestyle. It is traditionally used to support healthy digestion, reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion, encourage beneficial gut bacteria, and provide a lighter alternative to curd or milk for many people. Getting started is simple. Enter the number of people, then choose your dosha type. If you don't know your dosha, simply select the recommended "I don't know my dosha" option, and the calculator generates a balanced Ayurvedic recipe suitable for most healthy adults. The balanced recipe combines fresh curd, water, roasted cumin powder, rock salt, fresh ginger, fresh coriander, and curry leaves to create a well-rounded takra suitable for general daily use. If you are looking for a traditional everyday version, choose the normal digestive buttermilk recipe. It uses classic ingredients for regular digestive support. The Vata-friendly recipe contains slightly less water and a little more fresh ginger, creating a slightly thicker preparation with warming ingredients traditionally used to balance Vata. The Pitta-friendly variation focuses on cooling ingredients by adding extra fresh coriander, making it suitable for people following a Pitta-balancing Ayurvedic approach. For Kapha-friendly Takra, the recipe uses a little more water together with fresh ginger and black pepper. These warming spices are traditionally included to help support digestion and kapha balance. Although the ingredients differ slightly between recipes, the preparation remains simple. Churn the curd until smooth, add the calculated quantity of water, then churn again. Mix in the recommended herbs and spices, and serve fresh at room temperature. According to Ayurveda, takra is generally best enjoyed after lunch. It may also be consumed during digestive discomfort, while late-night consumption is usually avoided. Like any dietary preparation, takra may not be suitable for everyone. People with lactose intolerance, severe dehydration, acute fever, or medical conditions where dairy is restricted should seek appropriate medical advice before consuming it. One of the greatest strengths of Ayurveda is that it recognizes individual needs, instead of offering the same solution to everyone. Choosing a takra recipe that matches your dosha type helps make this traditional drink a more suitable part of your everyday routine. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.